boda raida na bamura tuwabire na Taiwanko na Ikaria Junction na decide to withdraw some cash in order ngende ndwari rongori kinga sete asedu ke risk kundi kiacha kia bantu magana mingi vavo rio nero church na kila yo moira na nero yo church nero kwa baba musego ko bechingo ko mufuko ne chimungu vanchaka kona we boko kabisa na vange boko unangu kwana igatidibia tudibia bono chisimichana mbere chisimibere Samsung S10 na Samsung S21 na igentaba ntaba kompuni kibagende batuma
Jirungu mheshimiwa Vincent Abuga ondo MCA wa wadi ya Usero aigo toka kitutu cha Jesawe as mosque kibagende ari mujumbe. This morning information I can confirm ganingi atanga na wegera because I was in the assembly ya Kisii County. Before information yetarege sinde nanyora mosque kurunga Ores wako is one of the bloggers who mujumbe kibagandi. Tuarore always several times. Okubeka mana mange immediately unabege clip kyo mwana ega Matthew Church unabare kumuita. Inje naba number 1. Oge Dine Road nake wega ujima WhatsApp. Because immediately uno church area nani ores area rising clip engore da kare program agende reach. Ruase kurende ya Facebook. Ndagete kotewe. It is every right to anybody. Otagete kubuli murai wa Kenya. Haijarishi no MCA, haijarishi no mjumbe, haijarishi no governor or president. My brother Ochach, for around 2, 3, 4 months ago, Overo kubuli kirojo mjumbe wagi tu jaji sasa. And we want to encourage them because inabute Genesis right now. Uko gambio wea seburu niga Genesis wamejitokesha watagete na barabukura aba Kenya. Tindo chi reason eragerenga umujumba bekeremo mwana minto chachi limits chugo tabori bujumbe. Igeke ndogerwan panaraba go ito mwana yo very serious. Na ikire nyagitaria na confirm ringa bamukururu baganze ani arogete right now tutagete ko moira go CT scanning toroi x-ray toroi if there is something as e kubakia eno motu then we be able to decide nga ningitogora nkinta getote umujumbe ikere tu agwagere dikura nduwagere jikuru ani abantu baba wagachwa etu agwagere jikuru okorera abantu babo getutwigas na murayo ndebwezi koregerego anjo orusi wa magoso
ntebenga litkuliara raguliriyo muichano ikiagara igotwa majigo sigia magima ya abaminto abo basunyuntwa naba muraki bagendi atuma aria Nyamataro ndagete kuburia president ya Republic ya Kenya kero muntu nabwatu busibule wokuburia oburai nengaki yechi campaign agakorakane ya chake igotu achira ase okugikeria kibagendi ekiagera kibagendi gatuma abantu baye otuma abakora amoneji sim anene umwana kurukoresi wako nero likubwata e video nande video yo twanyore twayerura se
ena acha korora my colleague ga Matthew Church kera na of the incident I was so worried again tonko boli nchena kaganga mangana ya tarenge yake yani but from few sinaigura abantu bago kwana I'm so worried I don't understand nkiga kogera umweshimiwa ara imoke atomere a competitor ya yebi bagonga bimurwana into baritore iska we are like opposition. Our job is to keep the people are in government, the people baribare birogo including the MP on check. Na andera simaere swe amakoso nara igana wono uchachi koere sakebagendi amakoso. Tindo chi sababu baraji koma goera anchira kumurwani kumaumise gisakwike na ande babeke bicheyo aso mutandao whatever they have done it. What I can say ero maumisiro mwana uyu tomorrow maumiso yonde mokora abantu bonse pe constituency those who are opposing you tiga tokorango siasa ya maskani ntunto sigete abaheshimiwa bari biro because even as we had read before ntu asikire
zidia magozo to kumanya magozo ausa iko nataka uko ni famu asa whatever every time mumujumbe na korore ko whatever ngaruto one time indo je reason ya yora akanero mwana utagotenga naye kibagendi yore one time. And I want to confirm here, everybody abo MCA abo mujumbe baki amana one time tumeisoya kwa sababu is a slogan ya chire Kenya igon kinda getegote. Recently naretete chiguni chia yesa matangare ngeboke yabo ase wodian ekirenga abu ategi ukongata kinjono mo MCA obusera senge njogo mu question ine binda gora bitaruye abu atekirenga yokurwania my brother Matthew Church asenge njo muroyo gakubori bujumbe nkumurusia na magoso ekirari ya rais ng'abananchi be wode ibanganjete bagasinyo gukora ikibatagete incident ya kabere mwaro je bagosukuma ne platform n'umuske cyabete nyakunde je nargo banga n'injo mujumbe kibagendere ro yoli naro je cyabete ya gosukuma. I was to be sober enough erinde njengu withdraw mwere didi kondo ni namaskan ochakira boy was to go to the ground lakini nga because bona amaje tengere ne jimwagora ama swergo igatumugura. And it means we will die because of our people. Unanjabuga niko tayari. Kwa sababu gotishiro chaji temine dingabuga nawo. Njuno mo MCA bu area ontere ne famu kuhakikisha n'abantu babo usero banyoresha ya kikiwene ne timu yao. Emekone yaja kirabo getutu yoko beke bibaga samatanga yoko beke bibago para biganyera abana bali bako opposite. We want to condemn it with a very highest order na ndengo gusabanga ndorgo jikoba. Ono mwanyoro church next ninji ndagete mondigi with the minister dia bia bantu babo gusera
ere bateba nga ntika no mheshimiwa na ntina abori ngingo tika no mheshimiwa na ntino ugo jumbe nkobori wa Kitutu Church South inko na matanga ntarenda ngo mheshimiwa kurumwa moto ito na matanga force free inkibari komitera so mheshimiwa kibayendi na tutomera chigunsi na ndebo kusero na ndalia ke abantu baive kanisa bakanyuba kili bakayana bona abantu bari ngasama ama nini tukiri yatoka na manya specifically ile chisemichiana ni mo manyete na inde bono information inda tevi kibagendi oni la kuna information ile inche tindi kumorwani. I'm fighting for the right of Kitutu Church residents. Ono kerau cha kese yune iye koroking na tabu ati olo nini tabu ati qualities or characteristics of a good leader iye koroking ane bunia kibage dibo no asiye keire na itil yes lakini I won't give up no nde kwe mbatu moiso kibage diga kongita mbiyangite lakini tete mo Kitutu na kibagendi aukora ebitebya asebono ningumiete tingi wetibya mpaka na bando chenga tinda koro mutienyo yo au rende lakini ntarachi kwa kibagendi erena ere singi koko manera na ndina ere sawa kwa sawa
talinga akwangete kukuambia makosa yako rekebisha talinga akwangete ocho kama boera nchira nebi bago moite. You may think you know more, lakini mbale bamanyete gukubwa. The only thing no gukira na kuheshimu sheria. But what we are going to say, we want the police babu atia manganayo Moscow Church, including DCI, from the bottom asacha akirete mpaka banyakole kusudi anyore haki ase chikoti chetu. That is our sole aim. We don't want nga naintuto chikobogoli alone to our hands. Naintuto chake nga tunataka kurudisha hatutaki. But I've seen the police here, they have taken the report He has gotten the OP. Tigabwe and again diary statement. I'm a call a yearly giveaway. I have brought to book. I'm matching my MP. I'm matching my MP. Please work with the sober mind. Don't try to fight everyone. Because this leadership comes and goes. Manjena Kavairo Mogambi, I led people for 10 years as an MCA for Nyatiko Ward. Saizi niko inje. Niko na watu huko kwa kijiji. Also remember one day utaenda na watu kukaa na watu pale kwa kijiji. Will you be fighting them all the time? Please, my MP, just go slow.
Thank you.
I'm warning you, just go slow.
Muntu onde bwansi mokenyo onde bwansi. Na bwatu bosibole bwoko boria ekirogo. Kibagende tate gogote biga. Tokage chimwe yo gokora. Nganero ogotambukerie gochese bimurebi watu magocha. Erero nabo baraito omonto nabo barangite nabo baraite buno yo baitaiga. Lakini inyoranga